how to get those sweet glow in Blender. All you have to do is to go into the compositor, add in the glare node, and select Fog Glow. Now by adjusting the threshold, the lower the threshold, the more things glow. The higher the threshold, the brighter something needs to be in order to glow. So that's it. Next week, I'll be talking about how to break stuff in Blender, and on the video after, I'll be talking about a lighting add-on that will change the way you light in Blender forever. Like legit. Like the minute I know about this add-on, I'm like, that's it. I would never light my stuff in Blender any other way again. It's that amazing. So I will see you next week. Please support my Patreon. This is Bracelet Jack, and I will see you next week.